Today is, my name is Lisa Garrison. Today is May 23rd, and I am doing my bacteria enumeration, dilution, and plate counts experiment. Now, actually, the experiment was already done. Unfortunately, the video had a typhoon, but I do have the plates to show what I did, and I will have to talk you through it because I cannot go back through and do the experiment. So what I did was I did my yeast experiment, which I took the yeast and I put it in a distill. There were pipettes or little tubes, test tubes, and in those test tubes there were 2.25 mLs, and I had 6 of them. And then I took the dilution from my yeast dilution, and then I put 0.125 in the first tube, and then from that tube I took out and put from the first tube into the second 10.1, 10.2, 10.3, all the way to 10.6. I repeated this process from taking the solution from the previous tube to put into the other tube so that the dilution would spread out to the number of 10 to like 60 ounces, 10 to 1, 10 to 2, 10 to 3, 10 to 4, 10 to 5, 10 to 6. So these are the results from that. So this is my dilution to 1. And then from the times 2, this is my 2 for the times 2. For the times 3. This is for times 4. For times 5. And times 6. Now, what I was to do with the solution, once I separated the solution or diluted the solution, then I was to apply them inside of the tube, top of the agar, and then to swirl it around so that it would be evenly. Now, the problem that I did run into is that the pipettes or the test tubes were really small, and it was hard to get them out. So that I didn't get the 4 drops that I was supposed to get. I kind of had to shake the tube and try to get 4 drops. So they may have gotten more than they were supposed to. So as you see in my result, they may came out a little bit different than I wish to have. But I couldn't get the pipette to fit inside of the small tube, so there is a little variation in the way that I applied the samples to the agar. Okay, well, thank you for going through this experiment with me. Thank you, and you have a wonderful day.